Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to the Java programming tutorial part 1 by Maestro Cinematics. Um, in these tutorials, we're going to be learning all about Java and how to program in it, what it is, how it works, until you get a basic to advanced understanding of how it works. We're going to start off from the very basics so that we make sure that we know everything. And how we do that is first we need to make sure we have JDK installed. JDK is just kind of the thing that it compiles our stuff. You don't need to know it. It doesn't matter. Just go to Google and look up JDK. And then the first link should be Oracle if you use Google. And so you go to their website, it should load and look like this or something like it. Now make sure you look for the one that says JDK and just hit download. And then from here you gotta make sure you accept and just download whatever version or operating system you've got. So for me, I download the 64-bit right here. So just download that, install it, you just hit next a bunch, all should be good. Now when you're done with that, go to the internet again, and now we go to eclipse.org. Go over to download. Now there's a lot of different versions of Eclipse, and by the way, Eclipse is the thing that we're going to do our programming in, and just do all of our work in it. We're going to focus on the one that's called Eclipse IDE for Java developers. Now, it's not Eclipse IDE for Java EE developers. That's the entrepreneur or enhanced kind of version. It doesn't do anything, and it's just a whole whopping, 100 or so megabytes bigger, and we don't want that. We don't want to slow down our system, because this program can get kind of slow, but it's the best for programming. Anyways, we are going to download, depending on what operating system, it should load with your operating system's versions. So I'm 64-bit. If you don't know, you can just go to Start and right click on Computer and just go to Properties, and it'll say 64-bit operating system or 32-bit. So I'm 64. I download that, and then also you gotta have WinRAR. So if you don't, you just go to rarlab.com. And I know there's a lot of software you gotta download at first, but it gets better. We'll be done in one video with all the downloading. So you go find English or whatever language, and then yet again 32 or 64. Download that. Just keep hitting next until you're done. And then when Eclipse is done downloading, we'll just extract it to. Oh yeah, that's nice. You'll go to extract it to your desktop, just to the folder Eclipse. So then we're gonna open up eclipse.exe. It's the purple one, and so it'll open Workspace Launcher. For Workspace, we're just gonna hit Browse, go to your C drive, and hit Make a New Folder. And I'm gonna name this Tutorials, and then just hit OK. So a lot of this is going to be confusing at first. You just gotta stick with it. Programming comes with patience, and just kind of, it's an exciting thing to do, though, because the feeling that you get once you finally understand something, it's pretty cool. So anyways, now that we've got our Eclipse open, we are going to, you know what, I'm gonna end it right here. This is going to be the end of the first tutorial, just setting up your programs and stuff. In the next tutorial, Sorry, I had to pause it there. Anyways, in tutorial 2 or part 2 of this series, we're gonna learn about setting up projects and just the general understanding and basics of Java, so that we can finally start up with programming and hopefully have a good grasp on kind of what some of these big things that you're going to see really mean. So make sure you tune in for part 2. But yeah, make sure to rate, comment, subscribe for more.